Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Hania, and I am so happy to see all of your wonderful faces today.
Hello, Hania. Hello to all of our friends watching from around the world. It's truly wonderful to be here with you.
Hi Kamyar, how are you feeling this beautiful morning?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you. There's a special Monday energy today. How about you?
I'm feeling great too. And you know, Kamyar, that Monday feeling is exactly why we're here today, because Monday means one thing for English learners everywhere.
Someone at work or school is going to ask, "So, how was your weekend?"
Exactly. And that simple question can make your heart beat faster. You want to share, but the words get stuck. You end up just saying, "It was good," and feeling frustrated.
That ends today, because sharing about your weekend is about connecting, sharing happiness, and practicing real English.
Yes, so to every person watching who wants to share their weekend stories with confidence, this video is for you. Our topic is how to talk about your weekend in English, easy spoken English.
Are you ready to turn "it was good" into a beautiful, simple story?
Let's begin this journey together.
Your first sentence sets the tone. Use these easy words: relaxing, nice, good, busy, quiet, fun.
Say with me, my weekend was relaxing. My weekend was busy. My weekend was fun. Good. Now add very if you want. My weekend was very relaxing.
Remember, this is your story. If your weekend was normal, say, "It was a normal weekend." That's okay too.
Now, what did you do? Use simple verbs. I relaxed. I cleaned. I watched movies. I met friends. I visited family. I went shopping.
Don't list many activities. Choose one main activity. I cleaned my house. I watched a new series. I went to the park.
Add with my family or with friends if you want. I went shopping with my sister. This sentence makes your story special. The best part was, then say one happy thing. Examples. The best part was talking to my old friend. The best part was the delicious food. The best part was sleeping late. This shows you enjoyed something. It makes people smile.
Now let's put our 3 sentences together into a mini story. I'll share my real weekend from last week.
Please do, and everyone notice how he connects the sentences smoothly.
My weekend was quite relaxing. I visited my sister's new home in the city. The best part was helping her set up the garden. We planted flowers together in the afternoon. The weather was perfect for gardening. I felt very peaceful working with the soil.
Beautiful. Did you see? He started with our 3-sentence formula, then added a few more details naturally. Now let me share mine. My weekend was somewhat busy, but good. I filmed 2 new videos for our channel. The best part was reading your comments on our last video. Your messages really motivate me. I spent Sunday evening replying to many of you.
Notice we're still using simple sentences. We're just adding 1 or 2 more after our 3 main sentences. This makes your story flow better.
Let's practice expanding together. I'll say a basic 3-sentence weekend. Kamyar, you expand it with 1 extra detail. Ready? My weekend was fun. I went to a birthday party. The best part was the cake.
Excellent base. Now I expand. My weekend was fun. I went to a birthday party. The best part was the cake. It was chocolate with strawberries. I had 2 pieces.
Perfect.
Now, let's build your weekend vocabulary bank. Many people do similar activities on weekends. Knowing these words will help you.
We'll divide them into categories. First, relaxing activities. Sleep late, watch TV series, read a book, listen to music, take a nap, drink coffee slowly, sit in the park, do nothing special.
Second, social activities. Meet friends, have dinner together, visit family, go to a cafe, attend a party,
video call relatives, play games with friends, have lunch out.
Third, productive activities. Clean the house, do laundry, grocery shopping, cook special food, study something new, exercise at the gym, organize your room, plan your week.
Fourth, outdoor activities. Go for a walk, visit a market, go to the movies, travel to another town, explore a new place, go shopping, walk in nature, visit a museum.
Now, practice with me. I'll say a category, you say one activity from it. Ready? Relaxing activities.
Read a book.
Social activities.
Meet friends. Your turn, viewers. Pause and say, "This weekend I will blank never." Fill with one activity from our lists. Let's explore 5 common weekend types in detail. Each has a different feeling and different activities.
Type 1, the restorative weekend. This weekend is about recharging. You might say, my weekend was very needed. I slept for 10 hours on Saturday. I canceled all my plans. The best part was the deep rest. I feel ready for the new week now.
Type 2, the social butterfly weekend. This weekend is full of people. You might say, my weekend was wonderfully busy. I attended 2 different gatherings. I saw many old friends. The best part was all the laughter. My face hurt from smiling so much.
Type 3, the productive power weekend. This weekend gets things done. You might say, my weekend was extremely productive. I completed 3 big tasks at home. I organized my entire workspace. The best part was the feeling of accomplishment. I feel very satisfied.
Type 4, the adventure weekend. This weekend has something new. You might say, my weekend was exciting and new. I tried a restaurant from a different culture. I explored a part of the city I never saw before. The best part was the sense of discovery. I learned something new.
Type 5, the balanced weekend. This weekend has a mix. You might say, my weekend had a good balance. I finished some work on Saturday morning, then I relaxed with family in the evening. The best part was having both productivity and peace. It felt just right.
Which type was your last weekend? Think about it. Maybe it was a mix of 2 types. That's completely fine.
Now let's practice the complete conversation flow. It starts with the question and ends with real connection.
Step 1. Someone asks, "So, how was your weekend?" You respond initially, "It was pretty good, thanks for asking." This is polite and friendly.
Step 2. You offer your main story. Actually, I had a relaxing couple of days. I finally read that book I bought last month. The best part was reading in the park on Sunday afternoon.
Step 3. You return the question, "How about you? Did you do anything interesting?" This shows you're interested in them too.
Step 4. Listen to their answer, then respond with simple comments. That sounds lovely. Or, oh, I've wanted to try that. Or, you must have enjoyed that.
Let's role-play this complete flow. Hania, you ask me about my weekend.
Hey, Kamyar, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, thanks. I actually visited my parents. We cooked a big family meal together. The best part was my father's stories from his childhood. How about you? Did you have a good weekend?
That sounds wonderful. I'm glad you had that family time. Mine was quiet, but good. I caught up on some rest. The best part was sleeping without an alarm.
See? Natural, flowing, connected. No perfect grammar needed, just real sharing.
Now, what if your weekend wasn't great? What if you were sick or stressed or something went wrong? You can still share honestly but positively.
Use gentle phrases. Instead of, "My weekend was terrible," say, "My weekend was a bit challenging." Instead of, "I was sick all weekend," say, "I wasn't feeling my best, so I rested a lot." Find one positive. Even in a difficult weekend, there's usually something okay. I didn't feel well, but I watched some comforting movies. It was stressful, but I finished an important task.
You can also keep it simple and shift focus. It was a quiet weekend. How about yours? Then focus on their story.
You don't have to share everything. Remember, you control what you share. Choose the parts that feel comfortable to talk about. Time for active practice. We'll describe 5 detailed scenarios. After each, I want you to pause and create your version. Say it out loud.
Scenario 1. The cozy weekend. It rained all weekend. You stayed inside. You cooked soup, watched old movies, and called your best friend. The house felt extra cozy. How would you describe this weekend?
Scenario 2. The City Explorer. You had visitors from out of town. You showed them around your city. You went to famous spots, ate local food, and took many photos. You walked over 20,000 steps. How would you describe this weekend?
Scenario 3. The creative weekend. You decided to try something new. You followed an online tutorial to paint. It was messy but fun. Your painting isn't perfect, but you love it. You discovered a new hobby. How would you describe this weekend?
Scenario 4. The Family Focus. Your nephew stayed with you. You played games, built puzzles, and read stories. You remembered your own childhood. You felt tired but happy. How would you describe this weekend?
Scenario 5. The personal retreat. You deliberately kept no plans. You turned off your work notifications. You journaled, meditated, and went for long walks alone. You thought about your goals. How would you describe this weekend?
Wonderful! You just practiced 5 different weekend stories. Save these in your mind. Use them as templates.
Here's a powerful habit for you. Every Sunday evening, spend 2 minutes preparing your weekend story.
Ask yourself, what was the overall feeling? What was the main activity? What was the best moment? Form your 3 sentences in your mind.
Practice saying them once. This takes the pressure off on Monday morning. You'll feel prepared and confident.
You can even write them down if you want. Keep a small weekend stories notebook. This also becomes a beautiful record of your life.
Preparation builds confidence. Confidence leads to better speaking. Better speaking leads to more practice. It's a beautiful cycle.
Your weekends are the chapters of your life story. They contain small joys, quiet moments, learning experiences, and human connections.
When you share these chapters in English, you're doing more than practicing language. You're building bridges between your experiences and other people's understandings.
Start this Monday. Share your weekend story with one person. Use our simple formula. Celebrate that act of courage.
Your experiences have value. Your simple stories have beauty. Your voice in English deserves to be heard.
We are so proud of you for learning to share your life in a new language. We believe in your stories. We believe in your voice.
If this lesson helps you, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow.
Subscribe to English Learning Channel and hit the bell. We post new practical lessons every week.
Your homework: comment below with your weekend story using our 3-sentence formula. We will read and reply to everyone.
Share this video with someone who needs Monday conversation confidence.
Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week full of good stories. Bye for now.